you need to obviously you have a toast pack. You can see that you have this. You can either eat it, you can put it in the toaster or not. So, first you need to get 2 pieces. Put them in the toaster, toast it. Put the bag back in. Okay, so now you need to get your butter, your ingredient, what you want, like ham or something. I'm going to get salmon because I like salmon. Butter. Got 2 packs. Okay, so when the toast pops up, I think I'm going to get scared, but get your knife and your fork as I'm having salmon but with ham. Okay, get your toast out. It might be a little bit hot. So, you would, well, I put it on 4 normally, because that's where it should toast normally. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 would make it really crunchy. 1 would make it quite flat. So, get some of your butter. Spread it around your toast. As you can hear, my brother's doing the piano. And it's quite a hot day today. It's spring. Good. Okay, so we've buttered it. Now you can get your ingredient. Salmon. 2 salmon packs because I don't think that will be enough. Actually put the butter in the fridge first. Put the fork to wash. Just wet it a little bit and then put it in there, but I'll do that after. Okay, so fork, butter, fridge. Okay, so I know that this video is quite long, but it's good to learn how to make toast. Okay, so you get your salmon. You take some. At the end of the day, you can try this. And you can choose your ingredients. You can put ham, you can put salmon, you can put other ones on as well. You can have plain if you want as well. Salmon, I think, is really nice. So maybe you should try it one day if you haven't tried it yet. You finish making it, wash, then put it in the dishwasher. Thanks for watching my first video. I'm eating it at the moment. Really good. So maybe you should try this one day. Thanks for watching.